Hello. All right, I'm going to do this problem. This is, I guess this is 4.1, number 33. So what we want to do here, it says in this exercise, find the slope of the tangent line to the graph of the given function at the given value of x. Okay. So we're going to find the equation. Then we're going to find the equation of the tangent line. So that's really the reason we are studying the derivative. So the first thing we'll have to do is find the slope of this line. So we need to calculate the derivative of this function. All right, so y prime by our power rule is going to be equal to, well, we have this negative 2 times 1/2, so that's a negative 1. Okay, now then it's x, then we have to take 1/2 minus 1, so that's the negative 1/2. Okay, plus, now for the second thing, excuse me, it's 3/2, so we have to take our coefficient, then x to the, now when I subtract 1 from 3/2, I get 1/2, okay? All right, so the slope of our line, right, m, is then going to be this, our y prime evaluated at 9, which is equal to minus, so we get 9 to the negative 1/2 plus 3/2 times 9 to the 1/2. Okay, so that's equal to a minus 1. Well, the square root of 9 is 3, so it's negative 1/3 plus, and then we get 3 divided by 2. Okay, and then here we have the square root of 9 is 3. Okay. So what we find out is that our slope is negative 1/3 plus 9/2. Okay, and adding those two numbers together, what do we get? Well, we have to find a common denominator. So this is a negative 2/6 plus, let's see, 27/6, I guess. Okay. Because I had to multiply. Let's see, is that correct? Yes, yes. So I get 25. I come up with, let's see, the slope of, 25/6. You may want to reconfirm this. Okay, now let's see what the deal is. It says, now we're going to find the equation of the tangent line. So that means we need to find a point. Okay, so I'll work over here. Our point that we're looking for would be y evaluated, at least our y coordinate of that of our point on this, the graph would be y evaluated at 9. And let's see, if I evaluate that, I get negative 2 times 9 to the 1/2 plus, let's see, 9 to the 3/2. Okay, so that's equal to negative 2 times 3 plus, let's see, if I take the square root of 9 I get 3, so this becomes 3 cubed, right? And so this is a negative 6 plus, let's see, 3 cubed, that's actually 27. So that is equal to 21. Okay? So we have our slope, m, which is equal to 25/6. And the point that this line is going through is the point 921. So we can use our point slope form to find the equation of the line. In other words, if we take y minus 21, this is equal to 25/6 times x minus 9. And there we have it. So if we want to write down the equation, we could say, okay, so y is 25/6 times x minus 9 plus 21. And on an exam, this is fine, right? I don't need things to be simplified, particularly since we won't be using calculators on our exam. So just write down the, just write down the answer. As always, you want to go back and verify that your calculations are correct, that you have the right deal there. I'm going to look through this and make sure. So let's look at it back at our derivative. Aha! Look at this. Let me see. Did I get that right? The first one is correct. Evaluating at our 0.9. I'm looking right here. I see that we are doing this correctly. I believe this is all correct. So, okay. Thank you very much. And I hope this helps. And please ask questions if you are having difficulties with this.